entire life can really change in a year. You just have to love yourself enough to know you deserve more, be brave enough to demand more, and be disciplined enough to actually work for more.
Welcome back, guys. So let's start off by warming up our oil. This is my hair growth oil. You can go ahead and use any oil of your choice, making sure that it works well for your scalp and hair. Then this is my hair. I've already moisturized this part of my hair. I did it off camera. I was actually heading somewhere this morning. I was like, why don't I show you all how I moisturize my hair, making sure that it lasts very long. So this is hibiscus and fenugreek tea. I showed a video of how I made this in my previous videos, so please check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box so you can go and check it out. You can either use this or use ordinary water. Water can also help to hydrate your hair, but this is what I actually prefer to use because fenugreek helps to promote hair growth and hibiscus helps to thicken the hair. So this is like gaining two different things at once and also strengthens your hair. So this is what I prefer to be using. But before using this, please make sure to wear gloves because it's kind of stained my nails, although because I was heading to the shower, I think that's why I was not so concerned about it. Then I went on to apply the oil. The oil was already warm enough. Warming your oil help it to do what it's supposed to do properly on your scalp. So over here I only applied it on my scalp first of all. Later on I'm going to apply it on my hair, but not now. Okay, I only use it to moisturize my scalp, then I'm going to use it towards the end as a sealant. Using warm oil on your scalp and hair really helps to open up the hair cuticles, including your scalp, in order for the oil to penetrate very well and promote hair growth. It also helps to strengthen your hair. Also, if you want to learn how I made that oil, please check the previous video. It's in the description box. The link is in the description box. Then you are going to use a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. If the leave-in conditioner doesn't contain something like ingredients like aloe vera, glycerin, water, just know that it's not moisturizing enough. Okay, this leave-in conditioner contains everything and more. So please, you can check out Be Your Hair on Instagram or the brand Okolocha on Instagram to get yours across to you. They sell different products on their page. So this is what I'm using, and it's not a sponsored video, please. I'm just literally trying to show you all what is working for me, and I believe it will also work for you if you give it a try. So this leave-in conditioner is going to go a long way if you use it, or you can use the one you are using, making sure that it's actually moisturizing. They are going to go in with this herbal infused hair growth butter by Be Your Hair. I really love using this brand because it works well for my hair. That's what I've been using for God knows how long. I think more than 4 years now, and the brand is really delivering. So I'm using this hair butter. It has thicker consistency. It's going to help to seal in the moisture properly, helping it to last longer for me. So after doing all of this, I'm not going to remoisturize my hair again, probably like after 2 days or 3 days. Yes, 3 days. I've heard a customer saying that has lasted for literally 4 days, and even the 4 days was still moisturized. Yeah, so after applying the butter, I will go on to apply the hair growth oil. The hair growth oil will also help to strengthen the hair and to seal in all that moisture that we have applied on our hair. So if you haven't given this a try, just use this method. You must not use the products I use in this video, but if you have something that is working for you, please keep on using it. Use this method and it will go well for you. If you have there's this product it's called Grease. I'll leave the picture of it on the screen. I've seen other YouTubers that use it and they also say that it's working well. They use it in place of a hair butter. Not shea butter, please. Hair butter. I think there are two different things. There's ordinary shea butter and there's a hair butter that is being formulated to strengthen the hair and to protect the hair from breaking. So you can do your research and see that these are two different things. Google is free. Google is free. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. You can see I not use small comb or afro comb or brush that you used to brush your weave on. use a wide tooth comb and making sure that you do not break your hair. After doing so, you're going to put your hair into twists. First of all, I braided the root of my hair so that the place will be firm enough, then went on to twist the rest of my hair. I really hope this video have helped someone out there. If it did, please give it a huge thumbs up by liking. It really helps my channel a lot. Like this video, click the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell. Share this video. There are tons of people that want to see this video. Please share it to your loved ones. Let me know what you are thinking in the comment section below. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram at @okolocha, so please check me on those platforms as well, and do well to follow. I post tons of videos that have to do with hair care, organizing tips, and lifestyle content. I really want to work hard to improve my lifestyle content over here on YouTube, because I'm not really doing well in that department. Okay, so it's all going to start gradually, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying to gather all my equipment gradually, then I'll start giving it a try. So please stay tuned, and I really hope it will really entertain you all. Guys, just check out my twist. Look at how juicy it looking, and this is literally going to last me like 3 to 4 days, like I mentioned. Forget that I used to come literally almost every day here, guys. Sometimes I create in bulk, then I get to edit and distribute it probably every 2 days in a week. So that is it. And at night, when it comes to time to sleep, I usually pack my hair together like this and sleep on a silk pillowcase. Yes, silk pillowcase. Please do not sleep on a cotton pillowcase, because it's going to suck out all the moisture quickly. But when you sleep on a silk pillowcase or a satin pillowcase, it really goes a long way in making sure your moisture is still being retained in the hair. Or you can use a silk bonnet. Over here I use this big bonnet that I made for, I think, when I had hair extension, and it was very big, so I made a very big bonnet, and I couldn't find the small one that I used to use. But this is like a double protection, because once my bonnet slip off when I'm sleeping, my pillowcase is still there to protect me. Well, we have come to the end of today's video, and I hope this video served you well. Thank you for watching to this moment, and see you in my next upload. Bye.